Hey everybody, get out a piece of paper and a pencil and get ready to take some notes. That's what we're going to be doing for this review for our light waves unit so that you can get all prepped for your retake. So, we're just going to write some statements of fact. I'm going to talk about them a little bit and how we can use them on the test, and then you can use your notes on the test. So, here, let's do this. Statements of fact. All types of light carry energy. Okay. Statement of fact. All types of light carry energy. And this is actually word for word from our key concepts. But it's good to write this down, even though you can use your key concepts. So this next one is, let's see, all types of light carry energy. Light carries energy that can cause a material to change. Yay! 2 statements of fact. Now, for this statement, I'm combining a couple of key concepts together. But in my mind, it just makes it easier because it's all related. And this one is, if a material absorbs light, it also absorbs the energy causing it to change. Absorbs, remember that means to take in. Absorbs light it also absorbs the energy causing it to change. Okay. So we've got all types of light carry energy. Light carries energy that can cause a material to change. If a material absorbs light, it also absorbs the energy that the light is carrying, causing the material to change. Okay. Let's see. This next one has to do with wavelengths. And this statement is directly from your key concepts, and it's different types of light have different wavelengths. So we've got different types of light have different wavelengths. Now, in the test, you're going to see questions that have to do with this, right? And we've got some waves, and we need to know that this is wavelength. So that's the distance between the waves, and then we also have amplitude, okay? And this is amplitude. And this one we're not concerned about. This is just how bright and powerful that type of light is. This determines the type of light. So knowing that, we can take this statement, this is our key concept, And we can make our own key concept that says the same thing but different, but a little differently. So if different types of light have different wavelengths, then same types of light have the same wavelength. So we have same. So again, guys, if you're trying to figure out, if you get a question and it says, hey, here's 3 lasers, which one's different? You need to look for the wavelength. That's what these statements are saying. Okay, guys, we are almost done. We're going to make some more statements of fact here, because these are just common misconceptions that students still have. So here's one. Light cannot carry molecules. You've probably heard that one before if you've been paying attention, right? And then this is my big one that you should definitely know is a non-example by now, because I've really been hammering on it. But here's the deal. We still have some people, and that's a normal idea, that light is pulling energy out of things, but light cannot pull. All right, we're almost done. We're just doing this one page. Once this page is filled up, we're done. So this is more for not just vocabulary, but also concept. So we're just going to write 3 mathematical equations here. Absorb equals a change. Reflect equals no change. And transmit equals no change. So with this one, we've got take in equals absorb, and that means there's going to be a change. To reflect is bounce off. And that means that the light is bouncing off. Reflecting, there's no change. And then this one is passing through. So whenever we have light being absorbed, we're seeing a change. Whenever we're seeing a reflection or transmitting through a material, we are seeing no change. So friends, here are your notes. It wasn't a lot, but I guarantee if you compare your notes to your questions, actually to your answer, you'll do pretty well. So again, the idea is when you're faced with one of these types of questions, right? This is from our Chapter 3 quiz. We need to make sure that our answer that we have selected matches the data here. All right? And that is your blueprint for success. Good luck. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.